Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another mechanical engineering license board exam reviewer. Today's topic is on mechanics and it's regarding the force to raise a block over a horizontal drum. So here's our problem. And remember, if we have a problem, we have a solution. So the problem reads, a block weighing 500 newtons is held by a rope that passes over a horizontal drum. The coefficient of friction between the rope and the drum is 0.15. If the angle of contact is 150 degrees, compute the force that will raise the object. Okay, so here is our given: 500 Newton weight of block, 0.15 coefficient of friction, and 150 degrees angle of contact. The unknown is to solve for the force needed to raise the block. Okay, before we go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Like and share. Share the knowledge. Okay, we're back to the solution. The working formula that we needed to solve this problem is F is equal to W times E to the power of U times A, quantity, where F is the force required to raise the block, W is the weight of the block, E is the natural number or Euler's number, is equal to 2.71828. U is the coefficient of friction. A is the angle of contact in radians. Please take note, it is in radians and not in degrees. So our first step would be to solve for the angle of contact in radians. Now we need to remember that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So pi, which is equal to 3.1416 radians, is equal to 180 degrees. We need to solve for the value of 1 radian, in which case we're just gonna divide 180 divided by pi. So we get 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by 3.1416. 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degrees. Now that we know the conversion factor for radians to degrees, we need to convert the given angle of contact in degrees to radians. So we are given a 150 degree angle of contact. We just needed to divide 150 degrees divided by 57.3 degrees per radian in order to convert the given angle in degrees to radians. So A is now 150 over 57.3. We got 2.68 radians. And we need to substitute the values now into the formula. F is equal to W times E to the power of the quantity U times A. So let's go back a little bit to the given. W, we have 500 newtons. U is 0.15. Going back to the formula. Right there, so we substitute the values and solve for F. F is equal to 500 times 2.71828, that's the E, the natural number, to the power of the quantity 0.15, which is the coefficient of friction, times 2.618 radians. So use our calculator to solve the given equation, and so we arrive at F is equal to 500 times 2.71828 times 0.15 times 2.618. We got F is equal to 500 times 1.48097, and we got F is equal to 740.5 newtons. Now, if we analyze the answer, it is greater than 500 newtons, which is the weight that we are raising. And so because of friction, that's why we will need greater than 500 newton to raise the block. Okay, so I hope this was useful to you, and please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Cheers and have a good one.